Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best tabletop outdoor heater. Here are the top 3 tabletop outdoor heaters that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Hiland Portable Propane Tabletop Patio Heater. This heater is a 39-inch, portable, quartz glass tube patio heater that has a hammered bronze finish and an access door design. It possesses propane gas, electronic ignition, and a heat output of 9,500 BTUs that covers a large area around tables or flat surfaces. This unit uses a 1-pound propane tank, thermocouple, and an anti-tilt safety feature which prevents it from tripping over. The equipment has a simple control dial to adjust the height of the flame and heat output and can be easily lit with a piezo. Hiland Patio Heater weighs 14 pounds and its dimensions measure 12 by 12 by 39 inches. At number 2. FireSense Stainless Steel Tabletop Patio Heater. Its design specifications include a stainless steel and hammered bronze finish with a hood and burner attachment. It provides 10,000 BTUs of energy that provides enough warmth for 4 to 5 persons in a room, meeting or gathering. This equipment has a reflector hood that redirects heat to those around and an oxygen depletion sensor that aids in signaling low levels. Each unit is lightweight and possesses self-contained disposable propane cylinders which are easy to change. It is a portable accessory that can be used as a gift item for friends, family members, or any guest. At number 1. Napoleon Tabletop Patio Heater. This propane powdered unit renders a 304 stainless steel construction that provides up to 1,100 BTUs of energy. It possesses an electronic push-button igniter with a 7-foot heat radius that is perfect for places like backyard, parties, and meetings. This equipment uses a 1-pound propane cylinder and provides an optional hose and adapter for a 20-pound propane cylinder. Its specifications include dimensions of 38 inches height and 22 diameter and entails a weight of 18 pounds. Each unit has a safety cage around burner that prevents little hands from getting too close and protects them from skin burns. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.